Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini from your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And right here, click the information icon near to your earbuds. Then at the left side we have a button for Get this device, and click at this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave them at the device list, you need to click Disconnect and not forget this device. And then you can reconnect them in the future. But let's remove them, so forget the device and forget device. Now we can turn off these headphones by pressing hold power button what located at the bottom of the right earbud. And we see the red LED light right here, it means that we turn off them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!